We cannot stop every act of senseless violence. We cannot know every evil that knocks and but if we can prevent even one tragedy like this, save even one life, spare other families what these families are going through, we have an obligation to try. Upon considering the evidence tendered by the prosecution, as well as that offered by the defense, I am satisfied that the prosecution has proved beyond reasonable doubt the charges against the first, the second, and the third accused persons. And therefore, the charge of the previous time, contrary to section 234 of the Penal Code, I hereby convict the first accused person, Alex Maina. I convict the second accused person, Pacificah and Rael Charged. I convict the third accused person,
out the eyes of young Baby Sagini around the Kuruma village, Kisi County, and the matter, the three accused persons were arrested: Alex Ochogo, Pacificah and Rael Charged. The case commenced before Senior Resident Magistrate Christine Ogweno, Court 5, Kisi Law Courts. It has been a journey through the mentions, the hearings, evidence was tendered, oral documents, persons appeared before the court in giving testimony and witness concerning the case. Today, this particular day, the court has pronounced itself after evaluating the evidence presented, all the witnesses that presented their testimony, and the three persons, Rael, Alex, and Pacificah, have been found guilty. In other words, they have been convicted. The court has given a date when it is going to sentence them, but in the meantime, the court directed that a probation report and other reports of assessment of the three accused persons to be undertaken by the particular departments and agencies that aid in giving directions in how sentences are meted on accused persons.